60 years ago, the world was gifted with a woman who would change the lives of everyone she touched. From a little girl with dreams in her eyes, to a young woman with strength in her soul, to the mother who gave her all and then gave some more. She built a home not with bricks, but with laughter, patience, and unconditional love. Today, we don't just celebrate your life, we celebrate the goodness and faithfulness of God through your life. For 60 years, He has carried you, guided you, and strengthened you. Thank you, Mom, for the time you choose to work abroad, not because it was easy, but because you love us too much to let us go without. You face loneliness and homesickness just to give us a little filled with opportunities, stability, and hope. We saw your sacrifice, even when you tried to hide the pain behind your smile. We felt your love in every message, every call, every box you sent home filled with more than just things, but with the weight of your hard work and care. Because of you, we learned the true meaning of strength. Because of you, we were able to grow, to study, to dream. Because of you, we are who we are today. We may never fully repay you, but please know that we see your love in every opportunity we've been given. We feel your care in every step we take. You are our biggest blessing, our quiet hero, and the heart of this family. To Papa, thank you for being Mom's partner in this journey. And to our whole family, today is also a celebration of God's grace over all of us. As you turn 60, we pray for your good health, peace, and happiness. May the years ahead bring back to you the love and joy you've selflessly poured into us. Thank you, Mom, for everything. We love you more than words can say. Today, we celebrate you, a woman of strength, grace, and endless love. For 60 years, you've touched so many lives, but none more deeply than ours. Because of you.
Happy birthday po. Stay healthy lang po kayo. Mag-ingat po palagi. Grateful po ako na kayo po yung naging mama ni Jom. Mabait, caring, and mapagmahal. Enjoy your day po, tita. See you po po.
Good morning po, tita. Happy birthday po to you. And I'm one of the team leader of Meg Ryan po and a friend. And I can see the characteristics and behavior of Meg. She is a good daughter, so you raise your daughter well. So ayan, so I am happy po for her life and wishing you po more birthdays to come. Ayan, more blessings to come po. We supposed to go there in Camiguin, however we have fun run, so maybe in time po. We wanted to experience the place and also we wanted to see you po and the rest of the family. Happy birthday po once again. God bless you po.
Good day, this is Van, one of your daughter's friend and also a co-worker. I just want to greet you, or I just want to say happy 60th birthday. I hope you enjoy your day and I wish you all the best. And another year older, wiser, and more fabulous. And fortunately, matun tabi tara kaso lang due for some reasons wala na dayon. So hopefully sunod makatabi tara and see you guys soon. Again, happy birthday and See you soon.
Happy 60th birthday, Dinday. Stay beautiful. It's Sulayang.
Dinday, happy 60th birthday and wish you all the best and good health and stay pretty. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tinday. Stay young looking and God bless your business and more blessings to come to you and to your families. See you soon.
Happy 60th birthday, Mads. Wishing you all the best, good health, and more birthdays to celebrate. Happy birthday.
Today, welcome to your citizens world. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay pretty as ever. Wish you good health and happy life with your family around. God bless and more power.
Hi Te, happy 60th birthday and enjoy si mong birthday. God bless. Thank you. Ikaw na, Lola, happy birthday Lola. Yun na, tuloy ka kamigin. Yun na. Happy birthday to you ba? Yeah. Hello, na. Say it.
Welcome to the senior years, Auntie Inday. May your day be filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Celebrating your 60th birthday. My dearest Auntie, happy birthday. Love you.
Hi. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday, Marie Inday. Stay beautiful always. Wishing you all of God's choicest blessings of good health, more wealth, happiness, and joy with your family and friends. Enjoy your birthday to the max. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday to my cousin, Maria Omaging Clement. Happy birthday. I love you.
Birthday day. Sana sa magandang katawan, laging firming biskayang lawas, bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay.
Happy birthday, ate. Ingat palagi.
Hey Maricor, happy 60th birthday. Wish you all the best. Hinaut unta nga kanunay healthy, perming guwapa, ug malipayon kanunay, uban sa imong mga anak, ug mga apo, ug hinaut nga daghan pang mga birthdays nga maabot sa imong kinabuhi. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday to you, Day Maria Omaging Klima. Wishing you all the best of life. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi, Ate Maricor! Happy 60th birthday! Hope you enjoy your birthday with your family and many more birthdays to come. God bless! I love you!
Happy birthday, Tita Maricor! God bless po! I love you!
Hello ma! Happy 60th birthday sa imo ma! Daghang kayo kog pasalamat sa imong gugma ug suporta sa atong pamilya. Kung wala ka, di gyud mi makaabot sa among mga pangandoy. Salamat sa tanan ma. Mag-celebrate ka karon uban sa kalipay ug kahinilangan nga daghan pang tuig nga malipayon ang imong madag-an. Mahal ka namo ma. Malipayong adlaw sa imong pagkahimugso. Daghang kayo salamat ma sa imong gugma ug suporta sa atong pamilya. Happy birthday ma. O sa imong natawhan kayong kalipayan ma. Naway magpadayon ang imong kahimsog ug kalipay sa imong espesyal nga adlaw karon. May your health and happiness continue on your special day. Once again ma, happy 60th birthday. Salamat ma.
Happy birthday! Amala! We love you! God bless you!
Yeah, happy birthday!
Happy 60th birthday, ma. We love you po. God bless. Ma.
Hey, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama La. Happy 60th birthday. Love you. God bless you.
Hi. Happy birthday. Advance. Sana marami pang birthday ang darating. God bless you.
Hello sis, good morning. Una sa tanan, magpasalamat ako sa Ginoo alang kanimo sa makalampusan nga imong nadawat sa imong kinabuhi. Meaning imong ika-60th birthday, ako nang hinaot hatagan ikaw kanunay sa mga maayong panlawas ug magmalipayon ikaw sa pagsaulog sa imong adlaw nga natawhan. And I wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday and enjoy. Bye-bye.
Hi, Cor! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Cor, akong wish sa imo ika-60th birthday na always healthy and smiling, nga gwapa si Marie Cor. Happy birthday, Cor! Love you!
Happy birthday, Marie Cor! Sa imong ika-60 nga karawan. Hinang punta nga magpadayon ang imong birthday hangtod sa ika-gatos katuig. Pag celebrar og maayo diha kay okasyon na ika-60 na gud nimo.
Sa akong manghod nga nagsaulog sayang adlaw na tawhan ining pizza sa 16 sa Hunyo, walain kundi akong manghod si Maria Socorro Umaging. Sana sa akong mga kinukuskan kinagapahan sa akong igsuon usab. Mainito na akong mag-greet nimo og happy birthday sa imo ika-60 anyos aning maabot nga 16 sa Hunyo day. Salamat kay tas Ginoo nga gitagaan ta niya og hangtod ning hagayuna maayo gyapon atong panglawas og akong gipangandoy sa imong kinabuhi nga magpadayon ang atong kahimsud atong lawas o malipayon sa tanan sa tanang panahon nga sa atong pagpakabuhi dita magpadala sa mga problema. Bisan pa man nga normal man gyud na dunay mga problemang udanga sa atong kinabuhi apan salamaton ta sa atong labong makagahom nga Ginoo ang Dios nga gitagaan pa ta niya og lugway sa atong kinabuhi hangtod nga maabot ka sa 60 anyos nga baskog lang gihapon ang lawas. O pasalamat sa Ginoo nga sa mga panahon mga labay nga bisan pa man dunay mga kalisdanan apan sa gihapon wala gyapon ta pasagdi sa ato ang labang makagahom ng Dios. So nining taknaa day akong ipaabot kanimo ang akong kasing-kasing pagbati, pag-greet sa imong adlaw nga natawhan. Ampo ko sa Ginoo nga tagan pagyud kag may daghan pag mga katuigan maabot og permanenteng maing lawas og tanang nga grasya nga ihatag ibubo sa atong Ginoo diha sa inyo ha, sa inyong pamilya. Ug usbon ko sa ako manghod si Inday Maricor sa iyang adlaw nga natawhan nining pizza 16. Tibok na kong kasing-kasing ipaabot na ko diha nimo day ang ako ang pag greet sa imo ha. Happy birthday kayo nimo og hinaot nga kining adlaw usa ka adlaw nga pinaka importante nga adlaw nga mag-enjoy ka uban sa imong pamilya. O hinaot nga ang labong makagahom nga Jesus ang atong Ginoo mag
lugway ka na sa imong kinabuhi ug magahatag kanimo paglabaw pang mga grasya sa umaabot. O pag-amping sa kanunay day hinaot nga daghan pag yun mga katuigan nga maabot sa imong kinabuhi. Daghang salamat nimo. Daghang salamat sa imong pamilya nga naa ka sa imong kiliran nga naghandom usab. Nga sila usab naghandom diha nimo nga maayo ang imong pagsaulog sa imong adlaw na tawhan ining maong ining adlaw. Sige day, salamat og bye-bye. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Ano ka ba naman? Roland, dito mo ko dinala. Pupunta pa ko sa handaan. Happy birthday pala kay Maria Socorro. Happy birthday, Maria Socorro. Pasensya ka na, nasa gera pa ako. Oh, ano handa mo? Ay putek, tinamaan ng baboy.